tinanong ho kayo, no, na, okay, you were asked as to when does a prima facie presumption of misappropriation for personal benefit by an accountable officer arise under section or item 8.3 of the JC, no? Anong sagot nyo ho? You equated that with failure to liquidate. Tama ho?
Opo.
Okay. Anong sinabi nyo ho, when we say failure to liquidate, correct me if I'm wrong, sinabi nyo ho, when there is submission of incomplete documents. Yun ang sinabi nyo kahapon. Tama ho ba? Yung pag-intindi ko?
Pwede pong pakiulit.
Okay. Sinabi ho sa inyo kahapon, tinanong ho kayo, when is there failure to liquidate? Sinabi nyo ho, pag may incomplete submission ng documents, there is failure to liquidate. Tama po ba?
Can I clarify po? Baka,
Sige, ulitin ko na lang yung tanong sa'yo ngayon. Kailan ho ba natin masasabi under 8.3 ng JC that there is a failure to liquidate?
kasi po dito sa OBP, pag po kasi yung notice of disallowance na issue na, babalik siya as part ng unliquidated cash advance ng SDO.
Okay. So, I will stop you there ha. Sorry. Kailan mo masasabi na may failure to liquidate? Kapon no sinabi nyo, kahit nag-liquidate, pero may incomplete submission ng documents. Totoo po ba yan? Pinapanindigan nyo o binabago yun yung statement na yan ngayon?
Ang kwan ko po dun is yung failure to liquidate is, yun nga po, pag na-ND na siya at naibalik na to sa book. So, may magpo-form part ng unliquidated cash advance. So, lalabas siya na failure to liquidate.
So, okay. Kahit yung reason ng ND is incomplete submission of documents.
Kasi nga po, yung...
Hindi, let's answer me. Para ano lang tayo, no?
Your Honor, argumentative already. This witness was asked, what do you mean by failure to liquidate? And she answered.
Kaya nga,
You're not arguing with the witness, Your Honor.
Modify your question, counsel.
okay. Sinabi nyo that, there's failure to liquidate pag meron ng ND. Okay. So, follow-up question, kahit yung ND, yung ground niya is incomplete submission of documents. Meron pa ring failure to liquidate, tama?
Opo, kasi nga, magiging form siya ng unliquidated cash advance
Okay.
ng SDO.
Thank you.